Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Today is Saturday, January the 27th. So I hope you guys are doing great. I know I haven't uploaded in a while now. I have some videos that I need to edit and I just haven't, mainly because I have a new software with the new laptop. If you follow me on Instagram, I show that. Hey Saya. And it's a learning curve, though I know how to use it a little bit, still don't, and it's a little frustrating and time consuming. And then also I need to get me a new SD card, and also our internet provider has it has changed, so the upload was super duper frustrating, and but we worked it out. We're a gaming family, so we had to get another internet. What we did was we cut our cable, and I thought I was gonna die without it, but I'm doing wonderful without it because I really wasn't watching it during the week and found ways to still watch my favorite own channel shows and found some new shows to watch. Maybe I'll do a video on how to cut the cable cord or something like that one day. But anyway, let's get started with this haul. It's not that many items. My sidekick is right here pulling up his chair. And also, I know some of you guys watch me. I guess I turn the camera around. I'm always used to just talking, and I'm trying to do things a little different this year. So, trying to. So I know a lot of you are in the area, and some of you said, well, I hope you know they're going to build a Hobby Lobby in Cary, and it's finally open. So I'm so glad it's open now. And it said about 30 minutes from my house, but I think it's like 20, maybe at least 25 minutes. That's so much better than 50 an hour, 55 minutes from my house. So today the wood was on sale, and I think the metal. And I missed out on some of the Paper Studio planner stuff, but I got plenty of stuff. Planner organization. So next time they put that 50% off, I'm going them back. But let me show you what I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Okay, the first thing I picked up was It's So Good to Be Home. And I showed you guys, I guess I can show in this video, my collage wall that I'm starting. And I know I'm doing it backwards, but it's going to work out. And this was $21.99, and after the coupon, it was $10.99. $10.99. And I really like this one. Mama actually saw this one first, and I'm kind of going wood crazy. But does that have the item number on it? 14. No, that's not an item number. But let me flip it back around. It has a hanger at the top. It's one of the darker finishes of wood, but it's really pretty. And that's what it looks like. Then this one over here I thought was super cute. They also had another one, and I'll post it on Instagram if you're into hunting or something like that with your little boys. But this one says, planes, trains, trucks, and toys. There is nothing quite like little boys. And I thought this was so cute to go in Saya's hallway. Well, it's JJ in Saya's hallway, or either in Saya's room. I still haven't. He loves Thomas the Train, and I got him a cute bed set for Christmas. But they don't have a lot. Shh. What are you doing? They don't have a lot of things to match it, and it's more of a neutral Thomas the Train instead of the really bright primary colors. So yeah, I also wanted a W, and this was right on time because this was on sale. I'll go back to just tell you how much that was. It was $8.99, so it was like $4.50. Yeah, $4.49. And so this will go on the collage wall. So I only need one for our last name. And then this one is $17.99. So half of that. So it was $8.99. Then the last one, I have been looking at this one forever and ever. And this is going in the kitchen, I believe above the bulletin board or somewhere. And it says, if you feed them, they will come. And I wanted this one for a long time, and I finally picked it up. It's $15.99, so it's like $7.99. And Mama said that she thinks that Hobby Lobby went up a couple of dollars or something on their pictures, but we can't remember because some stuff been there like forever. Then also I picked this one up, and I thought it was a great price. It was only $29. There's been some that I have looked at, I think at Costco and other places. But for this one, it has that rustic look. I want it for my potatoes and onions to clear off some of the counter space. And then I'm going to put it like on the end of this counter here. So this one was $14.99. So I thought that was a great price for this tiered tray. Tiered tower. I was kind of worried, excuse Josiah, that I was worried that maybe he'll take the potatoes out and stuff like that. But he's getting older, so he shouldn't do that. And put some potatoes in here, separate them so they won't go bad, the potatoes and onions together. And then if I have any oranges or anything like that. Yeah, right here at the end of my counter, this little entryway that goes from my dining room. So anyway, so let's go back over here and show this last thing. And the last thing is that I seen this on Instagram or the Manby group or somewhere. And then also my planner buddy, All Things Fab KP, Kathleen, she picked this up, and it's a planner tote. And I did go to the Sanford store, I went to the Raleigh store, and they didn't have it a couple of times. And I think that's a great price, $24.99. And normally if the organization stuff is on sale, it's 50% off, which I missed last week. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it, even though I can use the 40% off coupon. I'm not gonna wait to it's 50% off. But they do have another planner case, and when that stuff is marked down, I'll go back, and there's some other things I'm looking at, go back and get when it's 50% off. So it looks like that on the inside, and Mama liked it too. So if I see one, I pick one up for her. Let's see, it was the last one, so it was like $14.99, which I thought was a great price. So it has pockets here, pockets there, and I have, of course, other bags. But this bag is smaller, and it's large, but it's small. A pocket there. And I'm toting my stuff from my room. I made me a little, it's going to be my vanity table, but also like a planner table, like at night, if I want to sit there and playing, which I did last night. If my husband's playing his game, he moved his game back up to the room. He goes back and forth from the living room to the room. And just wherever, because I even have that room upstairs, and I'm so grateful for it. But sometimes I just plan or just do whatever I'm doing at the moment. Like I brought everything down here. It's on the dining room table. So anyway, I picked this up for that, and I thought it was so cute for $14.99. So guys, that's all I picked up. I know it wasn't a lot. I do have some other videos to upload. But I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks so much for all your prayers. I do appreciate that from my brother-in-law. And I hope you guys are having it's almost February, guys. A great start of your new year. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.